Well, back with the breaking news update as far as the case filed by the top wrestlers of our country are concerned against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. Remember, he's set to move court today for bail. He's going to be appearing before the Rouse Avenue court for hearing in the case. And we're also learning that he will be simultaneously moving bail application when the hearing starts. Now, this is procedural for the accused to move for bail when not arrested. That's going to happen in minutes from now. For now, we're learning that Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh in minutes perhaps will be leaving from his residence.
Right. So while he leaves from his residence, we have some breaking inputs coming in as well of the kind of deployment that is being witnessed outside the courtroom. We're given to understand that around 50 officials from Delhi Police Special Security Unit have been deployed. Bhavtosh is joining us from Rouse Avenue Court with more details. The Delhi Police has filed over 1,500-page charge sheet against Brij Bhushan. He's been summoned by court, and we're given to understand he's also going to move for bail today.
Yes, Swati, in fact, massive security arrangement outside Rouse Avenue Court. You can see several police personnel have arrived here. There are barricades and it appears that the road itself would be completely sealed when Brij Bhushan Sharan would be arriving. He's the same member of parliament who assaulted our journalist Teshri when she was asking some very pertinent questions as to what will happen next. He
Thus,
will obviously
Bhavtosh, I believe there's some movement that Karishma is witnessing around herself. Karishma, over to you. What's going on?
Well, yes, Kritsveen, this is the location from where Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh is expected to leave for the Rouse Avenue court, and we can see from here, from whatever we can manage to see, the cars are getting ready and he is expected to leave very shortly from this particular location, which is of course the 21 Ashoka Road, which is the office of the Wrestling Federation of India. I can see about 2 cars already ready, and there are a lot of people also inside that have come in support of Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh before he makes his way to the Rouse Avenue court. But from what we can see right now, the cars are ready and he is expected to leave very shortly for the Rouse Avenue court. Remember, 2:30 p.m. is when he is expected to arrive at the court. And we've had Bhavtosh also reporting about how the security has been beefed up at the Rouse Avenue court, outside, even inside. Neelashish was saying that there were about 50 Delhi police officials that were there to assess the security situation. So that is the sort of deployment that has been done. If we talk about Delhi police for Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh before he makes his way to the court, even live visuals right now from the corner of the gate that we can see. You can see there's deployment here as well. Media is not being allowed to go ahead from this particular area, but like I said, Kritsveen, he is expected to leave any moment now from this residence of 21 Ashoka Road, from where we are reporting at this moment.
Right, Karishma, will stay with those visuals that you're getting for us and also take a answer from Bhavtosh on what can be expected, what is going to transpire in the court. What is the procedure, Bhavtosh?
Well, adding to what Karishma was saying, it's a procedure that is followed by all the accused as well as by the court because he was not arrested in this case, and that has been mentioned in the charge sheet because he cooperated with the police, because maximum sentence in this case is less than 7 years. He was not arrested in this particular offence. He will be asking for a bail and he, along with Vinod Tomar, would be asking for a bail in this particular crime. Now, if we just go by the various offences that have been mentioned, he has committed several offences over a period of time. There are 6 victims and wrestlers who have narrated the harrowing experience that they have went through over a period of time between 2012 and 2022. That's over a period of nearly a decade. Now, we are looking at an incident, not one incident, but the wrestlers who had witnessed, who had suffered at the hands of Brij Bhushan Sharan over a period of decade. They have recorded their statement under section 161 before police officer in presence of counsellor, before 164, that is before a judicial magistrate, which is admissible as an evidence in the court of law. There are witnesses who are also victim in this case. The victims in this case, their spouses were kept in the office of Vinod Tomar at a time when Brij Bhushan Sharan assaulted them. So it's a comprehensive charge sheet. The question is what will happen next in this trial? Will the witnesses as well as victim will they stand with the statements that they have mentioned? That will all depend what will happen in the trial over a period of time. But today is an important day when Brij Bhushan Sharan will be arriving here at Rouse.
It's an important hearing indeed, Bhavtosh, and comes just a day after Times Now put out all of those details which were exclusively gathered by Karishma itself. Priyank, very interesting that Bhavtosh has spoken of eyewitnesses' accounts as well. Now, one of the eyewitnesses, as we did break down details of yesterday, did of course reveal shocking details in the Lucknow event as well. All of that is going to be taken cognizance of in the court today.
Yeah, certainly. The court has already taken cognizance, and following to the cognizance which was taken on the basis of the charge sheet which was filed by the Delhi police. Today, Brij Bhushan Singh and the second accused Tomar have been told to come up before the court. Now they will have to appear before the court and say that whether they plead guilty in this case or not. Later to that, as Bhavtosh has already stated, they will have to secure a regular bail from the court. But very interesting turn of development happening from his residence as well as from the court, where there is a massive multi-layer security which has been deployed by the Delhi police to keep Brij Bhushan Singh away from the eyes of the media. We are standing here, and as we were talking about, the deployment which has shifted because of the rains right outside the main entrance. The Delhi police personnel along the paramilitary forces are there. There have been 21 witnesses in this case. Two of them,
you know, Priyank, we'll take a very quick break and we'll come back to you and our other reporters for live updates. For the moment, we're slipping into a very short break. Stay on with us.